My son's school throws a teacher appreciation event, and I really want to do it. I want to volunteer because I love the teachers. So the problem is that they want volunteers to cook. And even though Rachel and I have been friends for years, I haven't learned a thing. So this is the day. I'm calling in the support. Gail Simmons is coming over. Yay! I'm really excited. I'm so happy to have the help. I can't tell you. So I'm totally set up, as you said.
You did a
Everything
great job.
is checked off the list, but I have no idea what to do with anything.
I will take it from here. Grab a
Here
bowl.
you go. I'm hoping Gail can give me some tips, some shortcuts to help me feel more confident in the kitchen. I want to enjoy cooking, and I don't.
I'm gonna teach you this foundation, and then you can make it with anything. Like the same rules apply no matter what you're using, so you can make a million variations.
I'm teaching Greta how to make sheet pan frittatas. They sound really simple, and they are.
Let it go, don't be afraid. That's perfect, just like that. And then you're gonna brush it all around.
I'm always nervous when I have to cook something. That's my first feeling. I'm really good at making chocolate chip cookies that come in a roll.
Oil, just a little.
The thing about making a frittata this way in a big sheet pan is not only does it serve 12 people at a time, but it's really easy to do no matter what your skill level is. There's no fancy sauteing, there's no fancy knife skills involved. It's just about learning the practice of the technique. I'm doing 2 different variations with Greta today. So there's one sheet tray that's gonna roast some cherry tomatoes until they burst, or grape tomatoes. Then there's another tray with broccoli florets and red peppers.
Slice down, that's right. Perfect, now move your hand back. You wanna create what's called a bear claw, so that the front of your knuckles are what will hit the knife first. There you are.
Got it. Ooh,
There
now
you
I
go.
feel good.
Beautiful.
All right.
Both trays are gonna go into the oven at 375, and we're gonna roast them about 20 minutes.
While they're roasting, we're gonna make the egg mixture, which is a dozen eggs, a cup of milk, some salt and pepper. It's simple as that.
Crack your eggs on a flat surface, not against the corner of a bowl or a counter. And it's so much
Oh, and it's
easier.
much cleaner.
This is gonna feed about 12 people, but you have to think of it this way. That's what happens.
So, welcome to Greta's kitchen.
Of course.
Emergency.
We're also gonna make sure that we have some grated cheese that will get sprinkled on top, and fresh herbs like basil. When the vegetables come out of the oven and they're all roasted and the pan is still hot, I'm just gonna pour that egg mixture right over everything. Sprinkle with cheese, finish with the herbs, and they go back in the oven for 30 minutes.
Ooh.
Good, we're good.
This is actually fun. It's so easy. The steps are seamless. They smell amazing. They look so beautiful, so I feel proud of it.
I rotated them halfway through. Once they've cooled, we're gonna remove them really easily, slice them, and pack them up. Gosh, that's amazing.
Thank you so much.
My
You
pleasure.
completely solved my problem.
You crushed it.
I'm gonna come into your closet. I owe you.
I'm in any time. I mean,
All right.
that's an offer I can't refuse.
Deal. All right,
You owe
I'll
me
be
one.
there.
Thank you.